Well, the Festival of Democracy is here. People have come out in large numbers to vote, but right now it is 11 a.m. and the voting percentage seems to be dipping. When I was here at 6, 7, 8 in the morning, there was a lot of people here, especially a lot of senior citizens who had managed to come here to cast their vote. Right now, where I am is Shanti Nagar. This comes under Bangalore Central constituency, where the fight is between PC Mohan and between Mansoor Ali Khan, the Congress candidate, and at this particular booth is of the Shantinagar area where people are coming to vote. A total of 3 lakh people will be 3 crore people will be voting here in Karnataka. And as of now, from the ECI, what we've learned is as of 11 a.m. the voting percentage has been 22%, and now because it might get even more hotter and there are Friday prayers also, so you might see a little bit dip in the voting percentage for the next 2 hours, but after that we might see a lot of people walking in. I have a gentleman over here who's come out to vote. Sir, you've come out to vote, so before you cast your vote, what are the things that you will keep in mind?
No, I want corruption free, no communalism. We should be freedom. We have to have a freedom of speech.
And a lot of people have not come out to vote, youngsters especially, senior citizens have come out to vote. So what will your appeal be to youngsters?
No, my appeal is to put the vote and get a good governance.
All right, so that was one of the residents of this particular area who's come out to vote. We'll also try and speak to a lot of other people who've come here. Sir, you've also come here to vote, sir. A lot of kids, youngsters have not come out to vote. What would you tell them?
यंगस्टर आके है ना
हाँ, बहुत लोग नहीं आए.
बहुत
Voting
लोग नहीं आए
percentage के हिसाब से बहुत कम है.
कम है
हाँ,
गर्मी है ना थोड़ा शाम को आ सकते हो लोग
हाँ, तो आपको लगता है कि शाम में आएंगे?
आएंगे आएंगे ज़रूर
अच्छा
आएंगे
सर, वोट करने से पहले लोगों को क्या सोचना चाहिए, उनके इश्यूज क्या होंगे, क्या सोच के वो वोट डालना चाहिए?
ज़रूर वोट अपना ये है डालना ज़रूर पड़ेगा
Well, that was a gentleman over here who's come here to vote. We have more people who've come here. Sir, आप यहाँ वोट डालने आए हैं सर?
जी सर.
तो आपके लिए सबसे पहली इशू क्या रहेंगी जिसके ऊपर आप वोट करें?
सर इंडिया की डेमोक्रेसी बचाना है, इंडिया का डेवलपमेंट देखना है बस.
तो और बहुत लोग आए नहीं है अभी तक वोट करने के लिए.
अभी क्या थोड़ा धूप है ना, इसीलिए थोड़ा जैसे धूप कम होएगी लोग आएंगे.
हाँ, अच्छा. तो सर ये बहुत ही टफ फाइट होने वाला है लगता है. तो आप जो कह रहे हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी बताने का और क्या क्या इश्यूज हो सकते हैं?
भाई देखो कितनी महंगाई बढ़ गई है, कितने सारे इश्यूज हैं, कम्युनिकल इश्यूज हो रहे हैं. तो इंडिया क्या है, एक डेमोक्रेसी कंट्री है, इधर पीसफुल चलना है, पीसफुल बचाना है, डेमोक्रेसी को बचाना है बस.
Well, that is one message coming here from today, sir. Well, congratulations, sir. You can continue to cast your vote. Well, that is the sentiment of the people from here in Bengaluru, where they've come out to vote, and we're trying to speak to more and more such people to get in their word on what has brought them to cast their vote. We have another gentleman here, sir. आप बात करेंगे, sir? Huh? Okay, so well, they're a little shy. They're not ready to speak. But we have a few ladies over here. Let's speak to them and get a sense of what they have to say. Sir, आप लोग सुबह सुबह वोट करने आए सर. बहुत यंगस्टर्स अभी तक नहीं आए, तो उनको क्या मैसेज रहेगा आपका?
They have to come. They'll come surely.
Sir, what are the issues that youngsters should keep in mind before they cast their vote, or people should keep in mind before they cast their vote?
क्या है अभी महंगाई है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है.
Unemployment.
That's the most सबसे फर्स्ट वही.
मैम, आपके हिसाब से क्या इश्यूज रहना चाहिए जो लोग सोच के वोट करना चाहिए बैंगलोर के लिए स्पेशली? आप क्या सोचते हैं?
I want development, then safety for women and all.
All right. Well, development, safety for women, corruption, the three issues. We have another youngster. Ma'am, a lot of youngsters have not come out to vote. The percentage has been 22%. So what would your appeal be, because you're sitting here?
I would ask them to come out and vote. Vote for the rights of this country. Day by day, things are getting worse and worse. So we need to bring in a government that stands for minorities, stands for rights of the country, stands for everybody, and not just a certain section of the society, and for everybody, for the poor, for the disadvantaged, everybody.
When you say things are getting worse and worse, what are the issues that they should keep in mind when they vote? What are the things that they have seen in the last 10 years that should they remember?
Unemployment is rising. But rights of minorities, it's getting worse and worse day by day. They are scared to live in a country like this today. So I would say that everybody should come out and vote for a country that is secular and that believes in the freedom of rights and freedom of expressions, and basically a country that is for everybody and not just for a certain section.
So do you feel in the last 10 years things have changed in this country drastically and that is where people have to get back?
Yes, things have drastically changed. It's becoming unsafe, this country. So I do believe that everybody should come out and vote for a government that is for all.
Well, that was an appeal from a youngster over here that people should come out and vote for a better India, for a change in this country. So that is the voice from the booth where I am. We will be traveling to more and more places to get a sense on what are the people thinking before they cast their vote. But for now, from the Shantinagar area where the constituency, where the fight is between PC Mohan and Mansoor Ali Khan.